Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter Indices or Exponents for your coming annual exam. Chapter number 6 from the book Innovative Math Books. Chapter 6, name of the chapter is Indices or Exponents. Let us revise the chapter during the last part of the exercise, that is check for understanding, just like chapter test. Okay, check for understanding. This is very few questions are given here and you have to simplify. Question number 1, you have to simplify. There are 4 parts are there. 1 to 6 questions there. Let me solve one by one. Just see. Check for understanding. Chapter name is exponent. Number 1, you have to simplify. First part given 1 by 243 whole to the power minus 3 by 5. Okay, just see. See the number 1, first part it is given 1 by 243 whole to the power minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. You take it off, this will be 243. The negative power will be positive power, that is 3 by 5. 243 means 3 to the power 5 whole to the power 3 by 5. If 3 is multiplied 5 times, the answer will be 243. Now the 5 cancel, finally we are getting 3 to the power 3. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. This is the answer of number 1 first part. See the second part question given 27 by 8. 27 by 8 whole to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 plus 0.0025 whole to the power 0. This is the question given. You have to simplify. First of all, you know what is the value of if the power is 0. Let me explain it again. 2 square root over will be 2 and 256 means 4 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4, fourth root. 64 means 4 cube whole to the power, cube root means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2, that means this will be 2 to the power 2. Now this will be 2, 4 4 cancel, only 4, 4 to the power 1 means 4. This will be 3 3 cancel, 4 to the power 1 means 4. 2 square is 4, 4 4 cancel. How much you getting? This is 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. And this is the answer. Let us go next part. The next part question given 3 to the power minus 1 into 7 square divided by 3 square into 7 to the power minus 4 whole to the power 7 by 2. Divide sign, this is 3 cube into 7 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 into 7 cube whole to the power minus 5 by 2. This is the question given, you have to simplify. Just see. First of all, make the power 3 to the power minus 1, this will be 3 to the power minus 3 and this will be 7 to the power how much? 7 to the power 2 plus 4, that is 6, 7 to 6, 4 to the power 7 by 2. And divide sign given. First to make it positive power minus 5 by 2 given. This will be how much? This will be reciprocal, 2 to the power minus 2 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power minus, just reciprocal, the power will be positive, it will be 5 by 2. After that, this will be how much? 3 to the power minus 21 by 2 and 7 to the power 2 3, 2 3 are 6, 3 7 20, 7 to the power 21. And if you write here divide means you have to multiply and this will be go up, this will be 3 to the power 3 and here 5 that means 15 by 2. Power is multiplied and 7 to the power, you have to bring down 7 to the power minus 8 and it will go up 7 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 by 2 and then 2 2 to the power minus 2, that means it will come down 2 to the power minus 2, again 2 to the power 2 here 5 by 2, then 2 to the power 5. Now see how much coming it is here. This is 2 4 ja 7 to the power 20. Yes or no? First one it is power given negative. Okay, just see. Just here 3 to the power minus 21 by 2 and here 3 to the power 15 by 2. The power is added minus 21 by 2 plus 15 by 2. It will give you minus 6 by 2, which is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. And 7 to the power 21, here 7 to the power minus 8 whole to the power 5 by 2. It will be minus 20. 7 to the power 21, 7 to the power minus 20 will be 7 to the power 1 means 7. And 2 to the power 5 means 32. 32 into 7, it is coming 224 divided by 3 to the power 3, it will be positive if you take it down 27. This is the answer of number 1 fourth part. In this number 1 all the parts completed. Thank you for today's class.